Dear Slovenians, my name is László Tőkés and I am a member of the European Parliament from the Hungarian-speaking community in Romania. In the past few years I have had the privilege of working together with Mr. Milan Zver in the Committee for Culture and Education of the European Parliament. We are both committed to improving the European educational systems, preserving European cultural heritage while preserving our national cultural traditions and values, as well as helping European youth. In autumn this year, you will be electing your president again. Slovenia, like any other country, needs a president who fights for equality, who is the president of all citizens and who can well represent his country and its interests internationally. Milan Zver will be such a president. He is a bright, gentle and responsible person, a great European, and above all, a true Slovenian. I am convinced that a vote for Milan Zver is a vote for a stable, just and united Slovenia.